To manage your categories in your different shops, you can go to the catalog menu, categories management to open up the categories interface. I have shop 2 selected here, but I can select shop 1, for example, to display the categories of that shop. And on the right-hand side, you will have various information related to multistore. The first one is a multistore sharing manager, where you can see on which shop the category is. So here, where the homepage is on all shops. But if I select cats, for example, it's available in 3 shops. And I can tick and untick the boxes of each of the shop to make categories available or not available on the shops. The other thing you can also manage in various shop is name and descriptions. Here I've got still the same categories, so I've got also multiple languages. So I can filter, for example, for only English, and I've got the name of my category in my 3 shops, and I can decide to modify my name. So I have a name for that category in the first shop, but in the second I can have a different name, and on the third shop I can also have a different name for my category. And it's the same for the description, where you can edit at the bottom here in the text editor. And you can have, same as well, a different description for each shop for the same category, or you can have the same description. So if I save this description here, and refresh, well, the refresh is done automatically. So I've got my description for that category in shop 1, and I can have a different one in shop 2 like I did for the name. Otherwise, if I want to have the same description for that category in all shops, I can right-click the description to copy it, select all 3 lines, right-click again, and paste it. So no need to do the same modification on each line. I can copy and paste the information. The other information you can also work in multi-store mode is the SEO, so very important, obviously. And again, you have the same kind of display with the various shops here and the different languages. So select English here. I can select enter the meta title, the meta descriptions, and the keywords. Same as descriptions I just showed a little bit earlier. You can also use the right-click copy and paste if you wanted to use the same information. So if I put cats as meta title, I can copy that information, select my 3 lines, so the 3 shops for the English language, and paste the information. And the same for the descriptions and the keywords if you're using keywords as well. So very easy to modify information in multiple shops for a category. And of course, I can select multiple categories. So I can select this one, and this one, for example. The display is dynamic, and I can do the same type of modification on the SEO, on the names and descriptions, and also in a multi-store sharing manager.